Friends, good evening. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 7 July 2021. Yesterday in my report I had mentioned that Nifty was looking good to make new highs, and also I had mentioned that once Nifty crosses 15,900, those people who are positional long traders also, for them it is good to book profit once again and enter at lower levels till such time Nifty closes above 15,920 level. Today Nifty made a high of 15,915. It could not sustain at that level and there was steep profit booking coming in, and Nifty finally ended the day lower by about 20 points. Going forward, we are still in a trading range between 15,635 and 15,915 on the upside, but the bias is still towards the upside. Those people who are positional traders can still go long, keeping a stop loss at 15,635 levels. If we move on to short-term charts, still, as I had mentioned, Nifty is in a trading range between 15,650 on the downside and 15,920 on the. For tomorrow's trade, still one can go long in Nifty with a stop loss below 15,740 levels. Again, for a target towards 15,915 levels. Once Nifty takes out 15,915 on the upside and stays there for a couple of hours or on a closing basis, then we can see Nifty further moving towards 16,000, 16,100 levels in the near term. If we move on to Bank Nifty now, I have been maintaining that Bank Nifty is going to move higher and the short term targets are around 35,800. For positional traders, Bank Nifty will reach 36,000, 36,500 on the outside. Today, Bank Nifty made a high of 35,800 and some profit booking towards the end took it towards 35,600 levels at close. Going forward, those people who are positional traders can revise their stop loss upwards by 500 points to 35,000 levels. If there is any dip in Bank Nifty towards 35,000, can be utilized to buy. Once 35,800 is taken out on the upside, then one can add to their positions for a target of 36,300, 36,500 levels on the upside. On short-term charts, Bank Nifty made a high of 35,800 and towards the end some profit bookings saw Bank Nifty closing at 35,600 levels. Going forward, any dip of 100-200 points in Bank Nifty can be bought into with a stop loss of below 35,200 for short-term targets of 35,800 on the upside, and if 35,800 is taken out, next target will be around 36,000. Watch list. The first stock for tomorrow is HDFC Bank, which went up with good volumes today helping the banking index move up smartly. If Bank Nifty has to move up, HDFC Bank is one of the constituents, so it can be bought with a stop loss of 1515 for a target of 1570. One can also hold it for a much higher position. Second stock in the watch list is SBI Life. It was moving sideways for the past 10 weeks and now it is showing some signs of life. It can be bought with a stop loss at 1010 for a target of 1050. The third stock is Ultratech. All cement stocks did well today, but I have selected Ultratech for tomorrow for a target of 7100. The stop loss at 6840. Nifty closed lower by 16 points at 15,818. Minor short build-up was seen with Nifty closing lower by 0.1% and open interest going up by 2.5%. Nifty PCR was at 1.05. Put writing was seen at 15,700 and at 15,800 levels. Call writing was seen at 15,900 and at 16,000 levels. Bank Nifty closed higher by 369 points at 35,579. Profit booking was seen in Bank Nifty as it closed higher by 1% and open interest going down by 5%. For Bank Nifty, PCR is at 1.2. Fresh longs were initiated by FIIs in index futures segment. Their net bought contracts in indices worth 224 crores. Their net open interest contracts moving up by 4,952 contracts. Market breadth was negative. VIX was at 12.28. A look at FII activity for today's trade. A look at Nifty open interest chart for July expiry. We can see that maximum call build-up is at 16,000 followed by 15,900, whereas maximum put build-up is seen at 15,700 and then at 15,800 levels. India Bull Housing Finance, National Aluminium, NMDC and PNB are the stocks that are in bank for tomorrow's trade. Thanks for watching. Good night.